I'm Toshiaki Akita, founder and CEO of iCorNet Laboratory. We are transforming heart failure treatment by patient-specific cardiac support net. Heart failure pandemic will be one of the biggest medical issues in 10 years. 6.5 people are suffering from heart failure in US, and this number will jump up 8 million by 2030. Medical costs will double up to $70 billion. Moreover, heart failure is progressive and lifelong disorder with exercise intolerance, which eventually results in job loss. It's a huge economic loss and social issue. Heart failure deteriorates with concomitant cardiac dilation. This process is called as cardiac remodeling. At end stage, heart size becomes 3 times bigger than normal, and its function drops less than 1/3. Drug therapy is not effective to stop cardiac remodeling. At end stage, heart transplantation is the only effective treatment, but extreme donor shortage is a problem. Left ventricular assist device is expensive and complication rate is high. Therefore, new treatment at reasonable cost is urgently needed. We propose our cardiac support net will be the solution. What is cardiac support net? It is an implantable device to stop cardiac remodeling by external constraint with net. Our patient-specific cardiac support net is innovative to solve the issues of previous one, iCorNet. It is a personalized design from patient cardiac images and manufactured by computer-aided 3D knitting machine, so no need for adjustment during implantation. Short operation time will be achieved with minimally invasive surgery. This slide shows the effectiveness of our product. Peak oxygen consumption is increased 0.84 in cardiac contractile modulation therapy, which is recently approved as heart failure treatment device in US. In our human study, our device increased 2.15 more than double improvement than CCM. Peak oxygen consumption is an objective marker for exercise tolerance and surrogate marker of survival. So not only improvement of physical activity, but also longer survival will be expected. This shows the roadmap. We have successfully completed first in human study in March this year. We raised $2 million in Series B. We are planning to start clinical trials this year, hoping to get PMDA approval by 2024. We plan Series C, $5 million for PMDA approval and oversee clinical trial. This slide shows sales estimation. Domestic sales will be $20 million by 2032. Overseas sales will be exceeded domestic sales in 2030. Our gross sales amount will be about $200 to $400 million in worldwide. This is a summary. Our most important message to you is number 4. We are seeking business partner to get approval and to cover distribution channel in US and EU. Thank you for your attention. Please contact me if you have an interest or a question.